Have you ever wanted to bring the wonders of the solar system right into your hands? Today, we're creating an awesome solar system model that's perfect for school projects or just for fun. Stay tuned because I'll show you a simple, step-by-step guide to making your own mini-universe. Materials. Show all materials on the table. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Styrofoam or foam balls in different sizes for each planet, acrylic paint and brushes, wooden skewers or thin sticks, a large black cardboard or a sturdy base, glue or a hot glue gun, a marker, and labels if you want to name your planets. Having everything ready will make this project super easy. Step 2. Paint the planets. Show painting the foam balls. Now, let's add some color. Start with the sun, painting it bright yellow or orange. Then move on to Mercury, gray, Venus, yellowish brown, Earth, blue and green, Mars, red, Jupiter, brown with a red spot, Saturn, light brown with green, Uranus, Neptune, the planets. Demonstrate inserting skewers. With our planets painted, it's time to assemble the solar system. Place the sun at the center, then carefully attach each planet in order using skewers. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Make sure to space out Add details. Show labeling planets and adding Saturn rings. Now, let's take it up a notch. Label each planet with a marker or stickers. To make Saturn stand out, cut out rings from cardboard and attach them. Want to add more details? Try adding tiny cotton.
Get to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through it, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.